Hello everyone, welcome back to TVG Unboxed. And today we have Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. And we found a deal on Amazon, PowerShot with a mini Manfrotto. Let's talk about the special feature of this camera. One of my favorite features is flip screen. The design of this camera is so vintage. Shooting a vlog is very easy now. All you just need PowerShot G7X and a mini Manfrotto. The autofocus feature is amazing. Guys, stay tuned on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe.